There is a reason why my name is Pocket Car Mama, and that's because I review compact and small cars. But for this video, we're going to do something different, all because of this message. One of my good friends from the media team asked for a collaboration. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with him. His name is John Augustin Scuderia. I don't know if I'm butchering the name, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it. So for this video, he is going to drive the Denza B8. And as for me, I'm just going to witness the chaos, I guess. Welcome to the first episode of Big Pockets. Now, these cars are big pockets for a reason. They're big on features, big in size. Not to mention, you need a big pocket to afford these cars. So yeah, let's take a look.
Very big boy today.
Yes, very, very big boy. And that's what we're going to drive.
B8, B5. Look at the difference.
Oh yeah, it does look like. Okay, cool.
So this is what's sparring the big boy. An engine and a very, very big battery, so it can run on both and one of each at the same time. What's your first impressions so far?
I'm actually it's so big. I don't know if I can compare this to what's this, the Kia, the Carnival or something like that, or is it even bigger?
Yeah, this is way, way big. I think it's one
Oh
of the
my
biggest
gosh.
cars in the event.
All right, let's go
Right,
check
good.
it out inside.
The cool feature with the B8. Watch this.
Oh.
It has soft close. And then
All right, let's go inside. Yep. Okay. This is what the seat looks like. Nice. So we're gonna hop inside. Whoop. Comfy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're inside the car. Hi guys.
hello there,
Ayan. So we're with Miss
Frances of BYD Alabang.
and Sir.
Jason.
Jason.
Monza Barcade CEO.
Okay.
I'm from Danza, Alabang. Sorry.
Danza Alaba. Oh, yeah. So, one thing that I noticed about the seatbelt, it automatically adjusts itself. So, ganun siya ka-high-tech. First time to experience something like that. And then, John is going to show us something else.
Safety stuff like all of that.
Dami niyang safety features.
Like everything's operated here on the screen. Oh yeah, you should check this out.
French. It's cooling in.
It's a fridge.
Yes, and you can heat it up, but not today. There, look.
Grabe.
And adjust the temperature.
And then driving modes. And then we can see everything, like literally everything there. Like if you wanna do this, the suspension will go down. Not sure if you can feel it lang on camera. But this one's the main road mode. This one. Best part, one of the few cars that has double wireless charging pads.
Hey, Denza.
Please say it.
Please open the sunshade.
No problem.
Wow. Thank you, Denza.
Low sunshade.
And it's closing the sunshade.
For now, pure EV mode. So you don't waste any drop of gas. Like example in heavy Manila city traffic. And you can see it's very light even though this is a huge car. Then here with a big bump just for demonstration purposes only.
Okay. Not bad. It's actually comfy. So even when going on uneven terrain, hindi siya masyadong yung nakakahilo. So this is what the middle part looks like.
And then for your DSOS suspension, that's why everything here is so well balanced and it's too soft for some, but it's good for roads like this.
Good for Philippine roads.
Yes.
360 cam. Do we have a 360 cam here?
Yes.
You can press it there sa manibela.
Oh.
Sa left. Yeah, there you go.
Oh wow.
And all corners.
All
Yes,
corners
all
too. So at least there's no blind spot. This is what the side view mirror looks like. Ito yung view niya. Let's check the other stuff inside. Thanks to Miss Frances, I was able to find the vanity mirror on the passenger side, and I actually love how it has lights on it.
And the rear view mirror can be turned on. It's a camera.
Yeah.
So the rear view mirror is also a camera. So that means you don't need to get a dash cam. Inbuilt na siya.
You need pa rin.
Ah,
Kasi
okay.
It doesn't record.
It doesn't
Speaking of,
Oh, okay. So you still need a
It's
dash
just the
cam.
camera. Safety features. Add ko lang. You have 10 airbags for this.
So I was talking with John, and then I said that the car doesn't feel intimidating, even if it is a very big car.
Almost the same size as LC300. It's plug-in hybrid.
Plug-in hybrid, okay.
You can use it as fully EV.
like now, because there's a,
Right
a lot
now.
of charge.
How fast can this big boy go?
For the acceleration time, only 4.8 seconds.
Mm.
0 to 100. And the acceleration is not very abrupt like the others. So it's very smooth. Kahit 4.8 seconds lang siya.
And then here another demonstration.
Okay.
The roughest drive section here. Okay, we can even demo this.
Alright.
So let's rock.
Oh, so it has different modes.
Yes.
Okay.
And then, but of course, we're on the road. We're back to normal mode. Unless, never mind, eco mode. But it's on command and it does it really, really quickly.
Okay.
And there's like under information like that. Off-road stuff. And there, when you go up, the pitch, the roll, it reads everything.
Nice.
That's my seatbelt.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. So if somebody at the back isn't wearing their seatbelt, the alarm goes off. Okay.
Put it to park and then
Race.
that is race mode.
When you're
Oh.
in race mode, you're using HE.
Mm.
So gas and electric motor
Yes,
combined.
race mode. I didn't know. So
Yeah, I know for a big car I was not expecting
you'd have
this
race
thing
mode.
to have it, yeah. In a way, even race mode is violent, but still the NVH and everything else, it's still pretty soft in a way.
You can actually choose a mode here.
Ah, yeah, you can do it
Yes.
here or here.
Yes, the mode
There.
here for the Eco Sport and normal, and for this one, it's for the off-road functions, off-road modes. Yeah, there you go. And for me, I really appreciate this part because you can push it down. You can push it down, so you can put bigger bottles. So
Mga cup holders, Stanley cups and all
Yeah.
that. Okay.
you can push this, so it will go up again.
For that, my favorite part,
Yeah, the massage, and it has a
Oh,
vent.
it has a massage.
Yeah.
and seat ventilation and warmers.
Yes, and for the massage, we have 5 modes.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, there you go. You can choose weak, moderate, or strong. There's pulse, wave, stretch, soothing. Yeah, unlike other vehicles, we only have one mode. So
Mhm.
for Denza, we have 5 modes for massage.
So, ayun, it's my first time getting massaged inside the car. So far, so good. I'm actually enjoying this experience. Ayun. Oh, this car also has yung guiding lines for parking or for reversing.
And distance.
And the distance as well.
We're not gonna worry na nag-hide yung doors natin sa labas kasi we have a manual opening there sa baba.
Man.
Sa baba.
What's...
That was my game actually.
Oh, okay.
Sa baba. Dun sa
Alright,
ilalim.
what's...
But how do you open the door? Where do you think it is?
How do I open the door?
Sige, you try opening the door.
Oh my gosh. Is it this one?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
You can open the door so we can see the
That's the
manual
handle,
opening.
yeah.
Yeah, you can press it.
Alright.
Press, then push the door. Then,
Oh, there it is.
okay. You can
Okay.
see down there the manual opening for the door. There, that one.
Oh,
Below
okay.
there. So you can
I
try
see.
to open it using
Alright.
that one. So
Grabe.
it's a safety feature.
Okay, I see.
And another fun
Ano
fact
ba?
with this, ano?
Oh.
Yeah, it's right here. In case you have VIPs like him, for the interior seats.
Speakers, audio display, definitely. So, headrest sound. So, yan, may driver mode siya.
Oh!
So, pwede siyang
I didn't know
sa
that.
driver na. Definitely. Ooh. We have a small camera there sa front. So, pag na-turn on natin yan, it can detect your eyes kung nakatingin ka sa road, kung inaantok ka. So, siguro i-vibrate niya yung steering wheel para magising ka.
There, you can see the
Okay.
sensor.
Ayun, okay.
There, there.
Yan.
You can see it.
Yeah,
Grabe.
it's a sensor. So, ang ano talaga ni BYD or ni Denza is safety talaga.
So that is my collaboration with Pocket Car Mama. So what's your impressions with the all new Denza B8?
Overall, it's not overwhelming as I expected it to be. Very comfortable siya. And then the safety features, ang daming safety features. I'm not a techie person.
Yes.
So, seeing all of the features, especially yung sa door, hindi ko alam na meron palang ganyang klaseng pinto na you'd have to press the button. Tapos, meron din siya yung, what's that called again? Yung sa pag-close ng door. Tapos,
Soft close.
also, it has soft close too. It also has it in the trunk. It also has 10 airbags as far as I can remember. So, ang dami niyang features. But let me ask you this. For all of these features, how much does it cost?
I think, if not mistaken, this is around like 5.4 M.
Oh, okay. Big price. Plenty of features. So thank you so much for being here with me, for collaborating with me, and yeah, I hope that we could collab again in the future.
Same thoughts here. This time, maybe in a future collab, my turn to be back in a really small car,
Yeah.
but under you this time.
Yes, yes. Next time I'll be the one driving.
Alright. Hope you guys like and subscribe to our channels. Our mains are in the description down below. Yeah. Bye-bye. See you with more collaborations.